Spot the difference between turning right without a green arrow and giving way at the right turn without the traffic lights in Australia. Let's dissect both scenarios into smaller segments and your driving will be stress-free after watching this video. The only difference is the time limit before the light changes. No time limit is mentioned in the rule book, but the limit is the duration of your green light, then the amber light, and then a few seconds of red. Standard traffic lights in Australia will allow a few seconds of red light in all directions before allowing anyone to move. In this situation where there's no traffic lights at all, even the most nervous drivers feel more relaxed. They feel safer because there's no time pressure. Anxious drivers also describe feeling safer in this situation because of an isolated slip lane where no traffic from any other direction can enter as long as you are occupying that space. That's understandable, but you've got to be mindful of other road users. Imagine that traffic lights go amber at this point. You would wait for the SUV to pass and then proceed to turn. Now that you see similarities, let's go back to the situation where I'm turning without a green arrow. When your amber light goes on, the other side lights change simultaneously, and there's no exception to this rule. Obviously, the Honda driver does not intend to stop, but the BMW is visibly reducing speed and stopping. It's easy to intercept the change in speed if you maintain your composure in a challenging situation like this. If you booked a driving test in Western Australia, you will likely perform this challenging maneuver. Check out this video with several examples. Thanks for watching and drive safely.